Hello there. In this module, we'll cover how to turn your Facebook profile into an authority figure. If you've created your Facebook page already, you can still go through with this module on optimizing your Facebook page. Facebook has become the main platform for every business, and marketers as well, to build their brand and business. Compared to using emails to interact with your prospects and customers, Facebook has the capacity to assist you in reaching out to a global audience through its own SEO. Let's start with creating your Facebook page. Select the arrow in the top right corner and then select Create Page. You're then required to choose from 6 categories that your business is in. If you're running a local brick and mortar business, select local business or place. If it's an online business without a physical store, go with brand or product. The other 4 categories are self-explanatory. Company, organization is suited for a business that runs local or international outlets. A community page is for running community-based events such as community services or crowdfunding initiatives. If you're running a Kickstarter campaign, choose the entertainment page and pick the public figure page if you want to establish yourself as a public figure. Once you've selected your category page, choose a category for your product or service and key in the name of your business. After that, select Get Started to create your Facebook page. Now that you've created your Facebook page, the next step is to fill up all the details of your page. Select the arrow at the middle left corner and then select About. It's important that you write a short description because it's the first thing that people see and read when they search for your Facebook page. Your short description is the summary of your page, and you're limited to 155 characters to tell people who you are. Be clear and concise. Describe what you do and why they should follow and like your page, and you got yourself a good description. For example, Adobe's Facebook page. The description in the About section is just 8 words, and it spells what the company does, while the rest of the company details are appropriately laid out around the different sections of the Facebook page. The next part is optimizing images on your Facebook page. You can optimize your main profile image, cover image, and the image post size, and these are important as it helps to build visual branding and develop consistency. Facebook profile pictures use a square image, so your profile picture has to be cropped to the square size before uploading. The profile image uses 180 pixels wide and 180 pixels tall. In the display, it will appear as 160 by 160 pixels. For newsfeed or image posts, the size is optimized to 470 pixels wide and 394 pixels tall. Once the image is uploaded to the newsfeed, the aspect ratio will be scaled down to 235 pixels wide and 197 pixels tall. For your Facebook cover image, the standard size is 851 pixels wide and 315 pixels tall. To maximize your Facebook cover image, you can put in arrow cues to direct visitors to either like your page, follow on your page, or even direct your visitors to your sales page. Your cover photo depends entirely on your creativity, so play around with the visuals and make full use of the features that are available on your Facebook page. To create the best engagement experience for all Facebook users, Facebook has stepped up their game by providing Facebook page users the freedom to configure their page to suit their business needs. To change your template, select the arrow in the middle left corner and then select Edit Page. On the Template section, click on Edit. In this section, you're given the choice to pick a template which has the most suitable features and tabs to suit your business. Last but not least, you can add a link to your Facebook page to direct your visitors and followers to your web page. To add a link to your page, select the arrow in the right corner and then select the Add or Plus button. Click on Use Our App or Game at the bottom of the page and select Use App. Place your web link and click on Add button on the bottom right corner to complete the setup. And that marks the end of this module. Good luck.